The future of HVAC is smart, and the new generation of OEM smart controls by Sorel takes your heating systems to the era of internet-enabled services and connectivity. Smart controls come with built-in plug-and-play Wi-Fi. No extra gateway, no extra cost. Just select the local Wi-Fi and enter its password to enable energy statistics, system monitoring, and remote service from anywhere. Enhance your HVAC systems. Comfort and peace of mind for system owners who can track system status via smartphone app. Easy troubleshooting for technicians by remote parametrization or over-the-air software updates. Smart service opportunities and data insights for manufacturers. As an OEM specialist, Sorel smart controls are designed for flexibility, thus providing cost-effective modifications and short time to market for your customized control solutions. Select from a range of hardware platforms and extend them with add-on modules as needed. Benefit from a large software stack of smart control algorithms based on decades of HVAC experience and adapt them to match your control strategy perfectly. Complement your smart controller with digital add-ons like our app stack or smart data server, and customize all of it to reflect your brand identity. Ease of use is key for any Sorel controller, and the new Color Touch display takes it to the next level. The setup wizard gets you started in no time. Every parameter is explained right on screen. And once in operation, animated graphics show the system status at a glance. Installation is easier than ever, with the new push-in connectors and generous space for comfortable wiring. Or get them pre-wired from our factory. So, whatever kind of HVAC system you make, get your custom control solution and make your system smart. Learn more on www.sorel.de.